Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to easily draw a tray ceiling with slanted edges? In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process and recreate this case step by step. Let's get started. Select the ceiling surface and click to enter Ceiling Editor. On the Ceiling Editor page, add guides first. Then use the straight line tool to draw out the curtain box area. Click the Offset tool in the top toolbar, then click anywhere on the ceiling surface. Input the offset value and press the Enter key to confirm. Click the rectangular area generated after offsetting and set the extrusion value in the lower right corner. Next, select the modeling line and click to enter Section Editing. At the top of the left material bar, search for the oblique angle of line. Then click and drag the desired line to the target position. Adjust the chamfer line size as needed and click Done after adjusting. Select the configured modeling line, click Duplicate, and then paste into current styling area. After completing the settings, you can drag and enlarge the top right viewport to check the effect and see if adjustments are needed. If no adjustments are needed, click Exit with Save at the top right corner. After rendering, you will get a satisfactory rendering. That's all. Thanks for watching.